The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices and objects that can collect, exchange, and share data over the Internet. These devices, often embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity capabilities, can communicate with each other and with humans, enabling the exchange of information and control of physical objects remotely. IoT technology enables the integration of the digital and physical worlds, allowing everyday objects to become smart and interconnected. It has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, including home automation, healthcare, transportation, agriculture, industrial processes, and more. Key components of the IoT ecosystem include devices. These can be anything from sensors and actuators to wearables, appliances, vehicles, and industrial equipment. They capture data, monitor the environment, and interact with users or other devices. Connectivity. IoT devices require a means of communication to transmit and receive data. This can be achieved through various technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, or low-power wide-area networks, LoWPAN, like LoRaWAN or Sigfox. Data processing. Collected data is processed and analyzed either locally on the device or in the cloud. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms are often employed to derive insights, make predictions, or automate actions based on the data. Cloud infrastructure. IoT systems often rely on cloud computing platforms to store and process the massive amounts of data generated by connected devices. Cloud services provide scalability, storage, and computing power to handle IoT workloads efficiently. Applications. IoT applications encompass a wide range of use cases, from smart homes and wearable health devices to smart cities and industrial automation. These applications leverage the connectivity and data generated by IoT devices to offer new services, improve efficiency, and enhance user experiences. However, with the proliferation of IoT devices, there are also concerns regarding privacy, security, and data governance. Safeguarding personal information, securing IoT networks, and ensuring data privacy are critical considerations in the development and deployment of IoT technologies. Overall, the Internet of Things has the potential to transform the way we interact with the world around us, making our environments smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to our needs.